Asia's factories are stalling, except China. Is this the start of a new trade war? The global economic chessboard just shifted, and Asia's factories are feeling the sting. In August, factory activity across Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan fell sharply, a clear sign that U.S. tariffs are biting harder than ever. But there's one outlier in the region that refuses to follow the script: China. While much of Asia is slowing down, China's private manufacturing data showed a surprising rebound, crossing the growth threshold and signaling renewed momentum. This is not just an economic blip, it's a geopolitical statement. China seems to be weathering the tariff storm better than its neighbors, potentially turning this moment into an opportunity to tighten its grip on global supply chains. The contrast is stark. Japan's and South Korea's export-driven industries are struggling to stay afloat as demand from the West cools and tariffs make their products pricier. Taiwan's tech-heavy economy is feeling the pinch too. Meanwhile, India has become the unexpected bright spot, hitting its fastest manufacturing growth in 17 years, but even there, storm clouds are forming as Washington doubles down on tariffs that could slow future expansion. So, what does this mean for the world? If China keeps gaining ground while its regional competitors stumble, the balance of power in global trade could shift dramatically. The next few months could decide whether this is just a short-term slowdown or the start of a full-blown trade realignment where China emerges even stronger. The message is clear: the tariff war is no longer a distant policy move in Washington. It's reshaping the very foundation of Asia's economies. The question is, who will blink first?